What's good, VNZ? Welcome to the VROOMN'ZOOOM channel. I'm back today with great energy. Now look, I don't want to show the license plate too much because last video I had to edit that shit like a motherfucker. So look, today is a special day because I received a wonderful gift from a wonderful friend, and it is my exhaust. Baby, check this out, man. Today we got the top speed Pro 1 performance exhaust. All in there. All in there. You see it. You see it. Now this is going to be a very quick video. Today is going to be a quick unboxing of the exhaust. Then we're going to do before and after so I can show you what it's like. A couple test drives. And that's it. Now let's get it rocking, baby. Turn the car off so y'all can hear me. We got to say hello to baby Bertha. I almost forgot. Baby Bertha, say hello. Say hello to baby Bertha. Yeah. Now let's go off. Oh shit, I almost forgot to turn the car off. So you guys can hear me loud and clear. The lighting is busting today. Today's a good day. A little bit cloudy, but ain't gonna stop what we got to do today. Now look, a quick unboxing of the video because I don't want to make it too long because I just want to get straight to the point. I don't want you guys to have to, you know, watch the video and click skip. I want you guys to watch the whole motherfucking thing. So let's go. For the first one, we got the, you know, the long straight white pipe. This one connects, I believe, to the smaller one, to this piece. So after those two pieces, we have this piece. It's one port right here, the smaller one right here connects into this, I believe, and this connects into the dual exhaust. I might be missing a point. Look, I'm not a mechanic, but you guys get the idea. We also have this. I believe this is an adapter between the 2.5 and the 3.5 because you can have this for the 2.5 Nissan Altima coupe, and you can also have it for the 3.5 Nissan Altima coupe. I believe this is the adapter piece that goes between both, I think. After this piece, we have the dual exhaust. Now they come separate, obviously, but they're gonna get formed together by that piece that I just showed you. So it's this big old thing right here. And let me tell you, this piece right here is 102 millimeters wide. It is very beautiful, very big in person. Look at that, it's about the size of my goddamn head. You see that? Very nice, very long. Pause. And there's another piece just like that. Another piece just like that right here. So you guys get to see it. Now look, it comes with new bolts. It comes with a gasket. I believe there's a license plate on the back that they give you. Comes free with it, but we're not really worried about that. So now that I showed you guys the Top Speed Pro 1 exhaust and what comes inside of it, I think it's best that I show you guys the before when I rev it inside the garage and when I do a couple test drives down the street, right? And then after that, it gets installed today. I will definitely show you guys the after and we will see how it rocks. VNZ. Now that's what I'm talking about. Baby Bertha stock knows how to give you some noise. And knows how to let you know she's down the street. She lets you know that she's here. And that's just with the intake in. You guys see the intake installation. Now I'm getting the exhaust in. I'm so excited, actually. I'm very excited because I've had it for quite a while, but I've never gotten the chance to actually get it installed. I've been waiting for the right moment to do it. So without further ado, let's get ready for the test drive. Gang, gang. So I'm gonna do a couple test drives going down the street, and then I'm gonna do a couple test drives where you guys can hear what it sounds like inside the car. So I really want to give you guys an all-around review and all-around understanding of what the car is gonna sound like when you guys get the exhaust. So let's just jump right into it. I know y'all seeing how Bertha sounded with the stock exhaust with a little bit of intake action, but now y'all gonna see what she sounds with the intake action and top speed Pro 1 exhaust, baby. Let's get it rocking. So we are going to take this time and we're gonna hop on the highway. Let's hop on the highway, baby. Go ahead, Bertha. Go ahead, Bertha. Go ahead, Bertha. That's what I like to see, baby. Oh, slow down. All the way slow down, my boy. Shit, you're violent. Let's go. Up the exit now. She runs really smooth with just the intake. She sounds really beautiful with just the intake. I think I like it. Yeah. Let's go. Would you look at that? Sheesh. So we're in the shop today. Exhaust is finally put in. One of my great long-time guys that I've been working with, always doing my car, bringing my cars in to him. He's put the exhaust in already. We're trying to figure out because when I try to put it in drive, it tries to go into neutral by itself. So we're just figuring that out by itself. But it sounds amazing, actually. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how it sounds after it's done. We in the shop today with her, baby Bertha. I'm very excited to get her on the road and really test her out and start driving. Right now my baby's in the shop, she's getting worked on. My guy's working on that as we speak. As we speak. Movie park? Oh, okay. Put in park?
Yeah, not to park.
Alright. So we put the transmission cooler in. It's in the front by the intercooler. We got the top speed Pro 1 exhaust in there. She sounds good. And we're just waiting for it to be finished up. Take her on the road. She's gonna sound nice. So now we are out of the shop. Finally got my baby on go. I don't have to put her in there. She can stay in there. The engine mounts just got adjusted. They still need to be fixed. So Wednesday I have to bring my car back in the shop so they can be totally fixed. They're out of alignment. But only thing to do right now is to take her on a test drive. Let's go VNZ. I'm hyped. I know y'all are too. Let's enjoy this together. Let's go. I'm gonna show y'all what it's like under the tunnel. I'm about to give y'all tunnel vibes. Watch. Crazy. Now let me slide you back in the car before these people think I'm crazy. Why is the man recording himself with a camera outside of the car? You know, people think I'm crazy. They be like, yeah, he's crazy. The hand is not on the steering wheel, it's on the camera. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Now look, before we end the video, I want you guys to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you guys want to see more modifications on the Nissan Altima. You know, drop a comment. Let me know what you think. I'm going to leave the link in the description so you guys can buy the exhaust. It's a wonderful exhaust in my opinion. I will be giving you guys monthly updates so you guys can know exactly how it is, if I have any problems with it. But right now, I ain't even going to put that in the air. Right now, we enjoying it. So let's go jump into the revs. We're about to go rev it up a couple times and show you guys what it's like. I'm excited, man. I'm gonna drive this baby around for a couple more. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for watching so much. Until next time, VNZ.